Are your iPhone calls going straight to voicemail without ringing? Let's fix that right now in 4 simple steps. Step number 1, check your focus modes. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open up the control center. If do not disturb or any other focus mode is highlighted, tap it to turn it off. As you can see, I'm on do not disturb right now. Step 2, disable silent mode. Go to settings, then tap sounds and haptics. Toggle off silent mode at the top. If you have an older iPhone, check the physical switch on the top left side of your phone, flip it towards the screen so the orange line is no longer showing. Step number 3, turn up the volume. While you're still in sounds and haptic menu, find the ringtone and alert slider and drag it all the way to the right so it's as loud as possible. Step number 4, stop silencing unknown callers. Go back to your main settings page and scroll all the way to the bottom, tap on apps. Now scroll down until you hit P and tap on phone. Scroll down to screen unknown callers. And change this setting to never. That's it, your iPhone will now ring loud and clear. If this quick fix helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone